Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have a complete sharpening kit from Trend Tool Technology. If everyone remembers, I recently did a review on the bit stone from them and I was really impressed. Today this kit has a credit card size stone and it is 600 on one side and 300 on the other, and it's also got this little diamond file, half round and flat, and of course it came with the lapping fluid. But how you break this stone in, and I'll lay this rag over here. We'll put ample amount on here. Don't really need that. I'll lay it down here. We're going to break it in. Now we'll do the 600 side. Just levels out all the diamonds in it. Now we'll do the file the same way. Now we're going to zoom in. I'll show you how to use these. First of all, it came with this little mat to put up underneath your credit card stone and an eraser to clean it up. If everyone remembers, I recommended a brush too to brush it off. You're going to set this stuff aside. It's got a very detailed manual in it. You don't have to take scissors apart to sharpen them, but this is just something that I prefer to do. Don't put any pressure on it. Put a little more lapping fluid. There we go. We'll set this one to the side. We'll do this side. Then we'll flip the stone over and use the 600. Wipe these off. Now we'll put the lapping fluid on this. Put it in wet. This paper towel over. Now, and I'll show you this too. Yeah. Any residue that gets left behind, this will get rid of it. Now we'll set this to the side and reassemble the scissors. The next thing I want to do, show you how to use this little file. I'll tell you a little tip I have on this one. When you sharpen serrations, let's see, this knife I want to use. This is my little test knife. Little micrometer stand works great to hold your knife. That way you can keep a steady angle. But on this little file, put your fluid on here. And then use the flat side on these small serrations. One thing I try to stress during these demonstrations, this is just showing you the steps. The more time you take, the better edge you'll get on everything. I shorten the videos. Go to the Trend website. I'll have a link below. These are great tools, and as I mentioned in the first video, If you use their lapping fluid, they guarantee their products for 5 years. Stay sharp. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.